Hi, I'm Emmy. Welcome to Yoga with Em. We're going to meditate together using a practice focused on breath and simple movement with the hands. So find a comfortable way of being, sitting either on the earth or on a chair, and spend a few moments to calm the mind in meditation with me. Welcome to your meditation, focused on breathing and a simple movement with the hands. Wherever you're seated, make yourself comfortable. Make any adjustments and then ground down through your sit bones. Really feel into the surface that you're sitting on, whether it's the earth or it's a chair or a yoga block. And then lengthen through your spine. Sit a little taller. Take a long breath out. Relax your shoulders down towards the earth. Your hands can gently rest wherever they feel comfortable. And maybe you close down your eyes. Notice your breath now. Notice your breath, your natural breath, flowing out and in. Breath flowing out and in through the nostrils if they're clear. Grounding down through the sit bones. Sitting tall, lengthening through the spine to the crown of your head. Relaxing our shoulders, allowing them to draw down to the earth. And now bring your awareness into your hands. I'm going to invite you to rest the back of your hands gently on your lap and bring your fingers and your thumb all to touch. We're going to begin to move our hands in time with our breath. As you breathe in, start to spread your fingers and your thumbs, spread your hands quite wide. And when you're ready to take that breath out, slow and smooth, begin to draw the fingers and the tip of the thumb all to touch once again. Breathing in, slow breath in, slowly opening the hands wide. And a slow, smooth exhalation, drawing the hands to close. So you can make this movement flow in time with your breath. Inhaling, opening the hands, and exhaling to draw them back to that closed position. Slow inhalation, slow, smooth exhalation. And the breath is flowing slowly and quietly. The hands are moving in time with your breath. So don't be too concerned about keeping pace with me. And if you haven't done so already, feel welcome to close down your eyes gently. slow inhalation, slow exhalation. So don't hurry your breath. Breath slow and smooth. Your hands moving in time with your breath. You might visualize your hands opening as the fingers spread, a little bit like flowers blossoming, flowers opening. And as you breathe out, gently closing again. So as you take your breath in, imagining the blooming flowers into the sunlight. And when you're ready to slowly exhale, perhaps the end of a day, flowers closing the petals. Continue with this flowing movement of your hands in time with your breath. Slow, fluid breath. Slow, fluid movement. Continue breathing and moving in this way. If you suddenly lose track of where you are, simply breathe and move the hands. We're focusing our attention on our breath and the simple movement of our hands. Breath continues to flow, slow and smooth. Let's take 3 more rounds of breath. There's no need to hurry. We may finish at slightly different times. So when you have completed your 3 rounds of slow and smooth breath, allow your hands to rest on your lap. Allow your breath to flow as it wants without any control. And with your eyes closed down, notice how you feel. Notice any feeling of calm that you have cultivated through this simple, short, breathing, moving meditation. Know that you can practice this at any time. You can practice this from anywhere. When you are ready, slowly blink your eyes open. Take a moment here to offer yourself gratitude. Gratitude for this short meditation practice. Allow yourself to take this feeling with you into the rest of your day. Namaste.